are the winner. You guys have made it. We are in the home stretch, baby. Today, on Monday, you guys are submitting your final projects here on Canvas, and I am so beyond excited to see what you guys have come up with. If you are having any submission issues whatsoever, please come to my office hours today, Monday, so that I can give you some help with that and make sure that everything is submitted correctly. Honestly, from here, it's pretty smooth sailing, but we're not quite done yet. This week in my class is the last week where you're really going to be having to do something and create something. Next week is going to be, your easier, just kind of sit back, relax, and check out what other people have made week. So this week is the week where you guys are going to be finishing and you guys are coming into that home stretch. So submit that final project on Monday. We are going to have Zoom sessions on Tuesday and Thursday. Wednesday, we have no class because you guys have your 8th grade ceremony day. But there is one other thing you need to do this week besides turn in that final project. You guys are going to be making a final project presentation video, and that's going to be due on Friday. So I'm just going to go ahead and click into it so you guys can get, just a little bit of an overview of that. You guys are going to need to make a 3 to 5 minute presentation in which you guys are going to be using screencasting software, either Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic, which is actually what I'm using right now to make this video. And you guys are going to be sharing your project with the rest of the class through this digital sharing format. So you guys will actually be recording your face the same way I am at the same time you are recording your computer screen. You'll have your project up on your computer screen, and you guys are going to spend, 3 to 5 minutes going through the following. Number 1, you're going to introduce your project. What is it? What option did you pick? What was your inspiration? 2, you're going to share your project. So you're going to pull up your project on your screen and you are going to actually scroll through. So if it's a short story, you're going to be reading it and you're going to be scrolling through, and we're going to be following along as you read it out loud. If it's a website, you're going to be taking us through it. You're going to be stopping. You're going to be guiding us through a specific part and talking about that and reading samples from it. You must spend at least a full minute truly reading a sample of your writing, because at the end of the day, remember, this is a writing project. And then finally, you should end with a small reflection, a little bit on how you managed your time, steps and stages, if you could go back, if there's anything you would change, and just reflect on your project. Are you proud of what you made, and what did you learn from this experience? So you're gonna, like I said, be making that the same way your teachers have been making their video lessons, using either Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic. They're both pretty user-friendly and self-explanatory, and I've got a tutorial video here. However, our Zoom sessions this week are going to be purely dedicated to time for me helping you guys with your presentation videos. So I'm not going to say much more about it because that's what that dedicated time is going to be set aside for, is helping you guys with those videos and any questions you have about how to use the screencasting software or how to go about creating that video. So like I said, you only have 2 objectives this week. Number 1, turn in that final project. And then number 2, you're going to be making that video project presentation. Your final project is 100 points. As you guys know, I've said it a bunch of times. It is your big project of the year, and I am super excited to see what you come up with. But your final project presentation video is no small assignment either. It's a 50-point assignment, so please make sure that you take some time with it and make sure that you do a good job. Already, I'm at 5 minutes, so guess what? This little presentation I gave you now is a pretty accurate time representation for the video you guys are going to be creating. So good luck. I can't wait to see what you guys create, and I'll see you in our Zooms. Bye.